Welcome to our channel. He is to be conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem. Originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing to his credits. He is to be conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. Claps for the first ball, fights for the crack in the bat, getting goal with find both side of curtain, construct a wall between the gundas, exercise to catch the auction, competing with franchises, bargains in hotel rooms, transactions caught on TV screen, interstate fraud, dark angles of illegal acts in his live stream, each and every border dispute, decision for a shadow war, from the edges of Siachen, from the sand layers of glaciers, occupying the Sur Creek, making into a problematic issue. Ringing danger bells, thinking it as a great act of valor, later on an international mischief, illegal and corrupt discussions and plans, behaves as if he is humble and polite, keeps an eye on weaker sections, plans to misleading the route, whether any bags of vegetables or the bundles of sandalwood, when any material is caught, if any trouble is at the checkpost, compensations offered in percentages. A customer officialdom, whether any top leaders or industrialists or landlords, to the atrocity with no bonds, to the desperate act treated as valor, situations, timings, agendas, differences, unwarranted conversations, hankering for his handshake, surrendering to selfish interest, whether Sompeta vanishes or to Ushap Kakarpalli, power plant becoming a meteor shower, a bolt from the blue for the black cotton soil, lathis and guns chasing, striking at an appropriate moment. To continue listening our long poem, He is to be conquered, please subscribe our channel and click on our channel He is to be conquered part 10.